Ingredients needed and used. First, 2 sticks or 1 cup of unsalted butter. Second, 3/4 brown sugar. Third, 1 or 1/2 cups chocolate chips. Fourth, 2 large eggs. Fifth, 1 teaspoon of salt. Sixth, teaspoon of baking soda or baking powder. Seventh, 2 and 1 cups of flour. Eighth, 3/4 sugar. Let's get baking. First, you're going to add 2 and 1/4 cups of flour into a bowl. Just like this. Now you're going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Now add 2 sticks or 1 cup of room temperature butter. Mixer is recommended. I also recommend cutting it into parts. Now time to add 3/4 of brown sugar. Add 3/4 of normal sugar. Get a mixer and start mixing. Just like this. Mixing. Add 2 eggs, 1 at a time. Adding the first egg. Mix it for a little bit. And now start adding the second egg. Now, here I'm adding the flour mixture with the salt and the baking powder. All of this is added. Now, it's time. Add the chocolate chips. Adding some more. chocolate chips coming in. Mixing in. Keep on mixing until well mixed. Now, when you feel like your batter is ready, take it out. Get a spatula and start mixing it and scraping the sides of the bowl to get all the excess flour. Here, get a tray and put baking sheet, or you can also use a baking rug. Use a spoon or an ice cream scooper to place the batter. Here I'm putting a small portion of the batter in each little circle on my mat. This is how it looks when they're all placed out. Let's put them in the oven. Make sure to have the oven preheated 375 degrees. Now let them bake. Let them bake for 9 to 11 minutes or until golden brown.